Okay, a quick video of how to quickly change out a mower blade. There is a correct side of these. This is a Husqvarna mower HU 700F, and it has a Honda GCV 160 engine on it. There is a right side to turn over. If you turn it over onto the side with the airbox, you're going to end up getting motor oil coming out the airbox. That ain't what you want. So on the other side is the oil fill. There's a dipstick and everything. You can see right here. And you can see my oil is worn. That's the side you want to tip onto if you have a mower that has an airbox on one side and the fill on the other. So what you're going to need is a 15 millimeter socket, or you could use a box wrench. You could, but anything 15 millimeter on this particular mower. Tip it up on the side designated, and you can see I've already installed my new mower blade. And what you basically do is you just remove the old one and put the new one on. And what I do is I have two mower blades that I can use. So as one gets, this is a brand new one I had. This is a third one, but I had two. So I would take the one that wasn't on, I'd bring it into the shop. They'd look up the part number if they had it, and then sometimes they'd just go check and do a match against what they had. So you can see I have my new mower blade on here. It's a 5802-440, so 5802-440, and on it says grass side. So that is the bottom, and basically these are mulching blades, so they have fins that throw the grass back up. That's why there's so much grass up here, because it's being thrown up into the bottom of the mower deck to mulch it. So tight on these, okay? It's going really fast. If it's loose at all, it'll shake a little bit, it'll make a very loud metallic noise, and you'll worry that something is wrong with your engine. And usually not. It's usually just something is loose here. So loosen it up, tighten it up, hold on to it while you're doing it. Nice and tight. This has already been done for brevity, but it is not difficult. There's two mounting studs, and then these go on. And the mounting system on this particular blade looks like this. There's two holes for the mounting studs that are on the shaft, and then there's this 5-star. This blade can probably be given another edge, but it's so dull right now that it's just smashing the grass instead of cutting it. And honestly, this has been on the saw. This has been on the blade for the mower for about 3 seasons, and it's never been changed. So we'll see what happens. The new one is going to be super nice. I'm probably not going to clean this out very much, because it'll just get, with how much I mulch, and I don't put a bag on or an exit chute on, it just sits in here and mulches. So it's going to get pretty wild. It's going to get pretty wild in here. It'll be fun. That's it. It's quick. Just make sure you don't turn it over on the wrong side and get a bunch of oil where you don't want it.